Check out this Chrysler 2008 Town & Country 4-door WGN Limited. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front air dam, tilt steering column, 160 amp alternator, 17x 6.5 aluminum chrome-clad wheels, second and third row window shades, 4.0 LSOHCS MPI 24V V6 engine, 600 amp maintenance-free battery, air conditioning included, 3-zone auto temp control $, air filtration and all-row side curtain airbags. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.